Good morning, everybody. Good morning. How many of us are ready for today? Are we ready for today? Let's smash it out. New week. The GMT times have gone back. We're ready earlier than ever. Daylight savings is done. As you guys join up, say what's up in the chat, so that we can start our breakdowns ASAP. 1 minute. Let me just.
Morning DC, morning chat.
Yo, morning. If y'all are watching the stream on YouTube, just refresh it. Refresh the stream. Yeah, if you're watching the stream on YouTube, just refresh it. Good morning, morning. Let's go smash that like button, say what's up in the chat. Let's get today popping off. I'm seeing something different on gold DC. I'm thinking drop. Well, let's see, Tony. Let's see. Let's get everyone into the building and then we shall break the charts down. Let's get everyone in here. We break the charts down and we take it all the way down. We look at what the market is showing us, how the market is setting up. No problem, no problem. It's good, it's good. Those who are in the chat right now, break down your charts, mark your levels. So when I do break down my charts, you can compare and see the levels. It's one of the ways of learning. I used to do that too. I used to break down my charts before I used to get on live streams that I used to watch, like Wix Don't Lie, right? And I used to compare whether my levels are the same or not. It's one way of learning. So come on guys, let's get it. Let's get it. Don't be sorry, it's perfectly alright. Come on guys, smash that like button and say what's up in the chat. That way we can start it off quick. All right. Alright, so now we're gonna have to break our charts down and see what is good, what is the market showing us for the morning. What can we take advantage of this morning? The weekly closed pretty decently, but right at that 1980 level. Closed right at 1980. And so we had this kind of zone that is up here that we've been rejecting, right? On the weekly, on the daily time frames. So if you look at this, you can see the way we've been rejecting again and again. So like, let's just, you can see this. We've kind of formed a little bit of a lower high over here. If you look at it. And 2K has been a very strong level for us. If y'all haven't, if y'all were trading last week, y'all would have identified 2000 on gold. Extremely strong zone. And we got the 1970 level. Slowly coming down the time frames to see what's good. On the hourly, 1970 looks good. 1968 500. That's going to be a zone. Nah, I think gold is gonna. Yeah, I for some reason I like the gold shorts more than I like the gold longs, Tony, too. So I kinda agree with you when you're looking at the gold shorts a little more than you're looking at the gold longs. Let's see what happens over here. Good morning, Andrew.
Morning, guys.
What is good?
Everything's good today.
Let's go.
Morning.
How's it, Shona?
Fun you.
I don't think he heard you, Jono.
I said morning, Shona.
Yeah,
I
no.
did say morning as well, and then I said fine and you.
Oh, no, I'm all good, thank you.
Let's go, sir. What are you looking for, Andrew?
I'm waiting for gold to be below your level there
Yeah.
for a sell. But I'm kind of more thinking of gold on the longer term, still a buy.
Yeah. I think it'll be a short-term sell. 1 second, let me just draw this. Yeah, this is what I'm seeing. A little bit of a shorter term sell, which we can look for reactions at 1962 500, and if we don't react at 1962 500, clear this entire clean traffic coming down to 1952.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, still weekly candles opened up no top wick, so We might expect it to kind of fill that wick from last week, maybe.
Yeah.
But we've still got a weekly candle without a bottom wick, which we need to be aware of.
Weekly?
Candle without a bottom wick.
Oh, okay. 1 minute. Let me just check that. Oh, you're talking about the huge one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that I get what you mean.
Not that that would encourage me to sell it, but just to be aware that it could possibly come down to create that wick. Let's see.
Interesting. So I've drawn a few levels over here. These are the different fib retracements we will be moving between. Yeah, and I'm positive of that, depending on which time frame it chooses to respect, of course.
Give me 2 secs.
Yep. Alright, very interesting, guys. Interesting. So if you guys look at this, we got 2 zones over here that we can pull down to. Let me just take one from here, put this here. $19.50. Alright guys, so you kinda see my levels and what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the potentials below this level. This is a little bit of a supply zone. So that's what I would potentially be looking at. Let's see what happens. DC, I've been in at 1% of my account. I'm understanding more. Let's go. Alright, as we break the charts down, guys, smash that like button, say what's up in the chat so we can kinda see what you guys are looking at. Alright, we'll take a look at that in a minute, Tony. Okay, so but as you guys are here, say what's up in the chat. Smash that like button so we can start today off really well. But these are my zones: 1970, 1960, 1950.
Morning to everybody in the chat. I didn't even know we were live.
Yes. Oh, you didn't?
Nope.
Well, we are live. So because the daylight savings has gone back, we get pushed back completely, even for the
Yeah, I
live stream
forgot
starting.
about that.
Yeah. GU. Once it breaks this, I think we're gonna start moving on GU. GU, we're seeing a rejection from the upside over there. Could it be a fib level rejection? Yep, that's a 78.6% rejection on the weekly. There is this level right over here. Yep, this is a key level resistance. $850. So this is one key zone right over here that we're tapping into. What you can notice is that's the range, right? That's the previous range itself. So GU we kind of broke down last week after the rally up, which was pretty good. We started breaking down. 1.23 is an important level for us. I think 1.23 900. Two 900. So what we noticed was price was not able to close above 250. And price rejected this zone right over here, 900. So on GU there is no trade if we come into this zone up here. But down here it's alright, we have enough place to play over here. So if we do decide to start moving down, it would definitely be below this level. On GU. What do you guys think about GU?
I'm looking at the bear flag on the 1 hour.
Yeah. That's setting up pretty decently. And that supports our higher time frame outlook. To kind of fill that daily wick potentially, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, fill in that daily wick, break the previous lows and continue, break the previous daily lows, continue back down into the next range. That would actually be a little interesting. Because
that will be very interesting.
Yeah, if we look at it, our zone is right below the daily flip on GU.
Yeah.
So it's good. Good morning, David.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning, David.
Morning, Joanna.
Very interesting. Let's see what happens. GJ JPY pairs are a little strange because we haven't broken up, we haven't broken down, and we've been waiting for a break on, especially on GJ or EJ, you know. So this also feels like a little bit of a bear flag on the weekly time frame if you look at it. On the daily time frame also we've been creating this zone which we've been respecting, right? All throughout. Alright, so if you look at this, we've been creating this constantly, and we also have this that we've been creating on GJ. We need to see a proper break for GJ. We had this 1959 level last week that we came and retested. But as we know, it's not just the 1959 level, it's this entire zone that's a rejection zone. Right? It's literally the entire zone. So that's why we need to be cautious of this on GJ. This could just be a retest zone to continue up. So that's why coming down the time frames on GJ, we're spotting the different ranges that we can potentially enter. And this should be the next range that we could potentially enter. Yeah. I'm looking for buys only above this level. Because then we would be entering this next range to continue up to fill this to this resistance. So the buys above 300 look good on GJ. Yeah, the buys above 300 look pretty good on GJ. Sells below 800 on GJ? What do you think? What do you guys think? Andrew? Or Joano? Let's see what the chat is thinking. David?
I'm thinking the same thing, DC.
Okay.
I'll rather take sells below 158, 500.
Oh, you're talking about there. Okay.
At the complete bottom, because you don't know where it's gonna pull back in.
Yeah, so we know if we break below this range, there's potential to fill this range and then continue up. If we break below this range, then we know there's potential to fill it down to here to continue up. So yeah, pretty good. It's just that right now GJ is in a no trade range. Beautiful. Until then, we're in this no trade range on GJ, in my opinion. Okay, give me a second, guys. Alrighty, I'm back. Alright, just moving on to Euro JPY. Let me just mark some stuff up before I continue there. Alright, EJ's got some zones over here too. And so we got the 3 week. Alright, so we closed this pretty strong, right? Weekly time frame. Oh, weekly time frame closed doji on last week's candle. That is a mess. That doesn't show us anything, literally. We're just, what it shows us is we're in a range from 140 to 145, this 500 pip range. EJ also pretty much doing the same thing. Our levels are pretty much the same. As GJ, almost. Because the pattern is the same, right? So at least we know where the tops and bottoms of this particular range are. So EJ, that's one of the zones. EJ, I'm gonna be a little more cautious and choose to buy only above here. Because we've had fake outs at this level. So I'm just gonna be a little more cautious on EJ. I think GJ has given us a clear path, so I think GJ will be the way I want to potentially go. Yeah. EJ, I'm gonna be cautious. I think GJ is a lot clearer. GU is decent. And gold is also looking decent. Alright, that's it for my breakdowns, guys. Now it's time for you to show yours. What's good? What's good? Good morning, everybody. Let's see, is there any important news? Interesting. Are you guys seeing anything different?
Nah, I see the same thing.
Same thing, right? EJ, I don't know. It's in this range, so I'm just not able to see anything until we break out of this range.
Yeah, I think GG is cleaner.
Yeah, because I think EJ can give us a fake out over here if we try to buy above this. Keeping in mind this is the previous supply. Yeah, let's see. This week is gonna be a good week if we just stay patient, guys. Just stay patient. Do our thing and we can keep going. Wait a minute. Alright. Let's see how this works. I think GJ is looking pretty decent. But GJ has no bottom mic also. I think it's gonna be an interesting start to the week. I'm not sure if we're gonna have the massive volume we wanna have to start this week off, but let's see. Let's see what this week has to offer. Let's see what this week has to offer. Alrighty. Let's see if we can get some buys. Buys. Let's see 3 minutes to candle closure. What is this stop looking like? Okay, 30 pips, decent. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Can we get a nice... Gold looks like it's trying to push down hard. Oh, I think we're gonna get a close on gold below. If GJ closes above, that would be really, really good. In case GJ closes above, I'm gonna take a buy only after the break of these highs, just to be on the safer side. Yeah, it's just a 5 pip thing anyway. May as well take it on the clean break. So let's see if we close above.
You prefer GJ to gold cells?
Gold cells are looking good. Let's see the closure down there. Because like if you're looking at GJ and gold, we're having wicks in these areas, you know. So it's like gold also, if we don't close below 68,500, we pretty much be rejecting. So let's see.
Yeah, I actually think gold sells are much cleaner right below 65.
Yeah. Yeah, I see what you're looking at. Just the clean traffic, right? Below that support. But let's see. Let's see how the pairs react to the daylight saving exchange also, because that's gonna enable a lot of investors to come into the market earlier, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's see if they bring some volume with them or they
So-
become.
So this is our normal 1 hour where we should see a lot of volume before London.
Yep. So yeah, this is the 1 hour before London. But I like this part of the year. We can even like you can go to the gym earlier also, you know.
Yeah,
I like these
and
timings.
also the time period between London and New York is back to the same. You know, it's not that quick transition.
Yeah. Nah, gold is not a sell for me and GJ is not a buy for me.
No, sir.
No, thank you. I feel like this is a setup to kind of trick people. Stop loss moved. Alright, interesting. Oh yeah, Tony's in gold sells.
Yeah, he's in sales.
So that
I think
makes
he's
sense.
looking for 65. Yeah, 65, I think.
Yeah.
It's a good zone.
Let's see. Let's see. I really want to see if this zone is valid that I've drawn, you know. 17. Yeah, this is the resistance from which we dropped. This is support from which we went up. So yeah, I think my zone is definitely as valid as it gets. Thank you for the sub, Akram. What's good, guys? Whoever's in here, guys, say what's up in the chat so we know that you're there. Say what's up so we know that you're there. All right. Alrighty. Long time. How you been? Dylan. Oh, Dylan, what's good? Zix, what's up? How's it going? Juliet. Good morning. What's up? What's up? Okay, are you new? Are you new to the stream? If you are, welcome, welcome. Has anyone tried Finotive? What a question to ask, Zix. What a question to ask. Onas, what's good? Mary, good morning. Praveen says Geo is going down. Yeah, let's find out if Geo comes below this level. I would say it's going down too. Let's see, let's see. Welcome everyone. Firstly, guys, before we kick today off, hit that like button. Come on, can we get everyone hitting that like button? 43 of us and only 13 likes. Come on. Let's go. Let's make some money on a Monday. Guys, read the rules of all the funding prop firms. Tell me if you find a prop firm with better rules than Finotive funding. And we all know Finotive pays out, so yeah. Let's see what happens. GJ trying to crawl up. Let's see, what time frame will we need a closure? 30. We need a closure at least on the 30. Or will it continue without us with volume? Let's see if a 15 can give us a closure and lower time frames refuse to go back into the zone. Come on, come on. Hit that like button, let's go. Let's see what GJ has to offer. Also, David? Is David here?
Yes, DC.
David,
Yeah.
have you ever had the problem where the touch bar just goes white color?
Nope.
No, I have had that problem. It goes and comes back. Not sure why.
I haven't had that issue.
No problem. I need to check why that's happening.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if GJ is actually gonna attempt to stay above. I had it since Asian session. Alright, very nice. Let's see if this 15 is gonna close above. Is it just gonna continue without us or what? It's breaking up. GEOs is trying to break down. And gold also try to break down.
Yeah.
This makes things a little sus.
Yeah, gold looks heavy here.
Hmm. As nice as it is. I don't feel comfortable.
Oh, GJ?
Yeah.
See how this 15 ends. It's a, what, a 26 pip stop.
Yeah.
If it doesn't pop anymore.
I need a little bigger stop than that though. But yeah. 26 would be, yeah, unless we come back and retest this zone to give us good buys back up. That would
Yeah.
be very nice.
A bearish candle respecting that level, and I'll be in it.
Yep.
Like last week, quite a few times we hesitated and we lost out. So
Yeah.
I'd rather just take an L than hesitate.
Yeah. Once this candle closes above, we'll use this as our breakout candle.
Yeah.
Hold a nice 25 pip stop loss. That's of course considering that this stays above this level, closes above this level. So let's see guys. Once this closes, we're gonna start looking. It's gonna be a 25 pip stop. Alright, I'm gonna be buying on this candle closure.
Straight off the closure, or you waiting for a bottom wick?
Yeah, we could wait for a bottom wick. I was thinking of just buying straight off the closure, like a breakout candle, right?
Stop
But-
below current at 15.
Yeah, that would be the goal. 25 pip stops. Okay, wait. Is it safe to sell gold now? For me personally, I don't think it's safe to sell gold now. Look at all that you have to the left. Wick, wick. We're coming into that area. I personally don't think it's safe to sell gold unless we come back below this level and retest it. Okay, GJ 15 is closed. Let's see if we can get a bottom wick. Thing is, I don't want to buy the high also, but
Yeah.
really no bottom wick. What would our stop be from here? 27. Okay, I'm gonna water down my lot size for this one. If we break the high, I'm gonna enter a 1/4% of risk. If we break this high. I'm not risking much today. Because our stops are almost like 26, 27 pips. So if we come back down, respect this zone right over here, then I'll get in. Good. Very good. Don't get in yet, guys. Not yet. I will tell you guys when I'm getting in. Wait. Alright. Here's where I'm entering. Okay. I have
Right
entered.
now?
Yeah, with 25 pip stops. If the candle closes, if any of these candles close below 250, I will close the entire trade. If any of the candles close below 250. I actually want to hold 30 pip stops. But yeah, we'll hold what we have for now. So my entry is at 340.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks decent. So, guys, we're looking for something like this. We're not expecting price to come back below this level. We're fine with it retesting 250, but we're not fine with it coming back below 250. Gold, as you guys can see, gold is still hovering around this area, not touching. We are not touching this over here, no. Mhm. Nope. Look at this. Below 66,500 also would be good. Gold looking pretty good. GU has now broken down. Wow. Very nice. GU is looking a little good. But if GU continues crashing because GBP is weak, then we might be in the wrong side of this trade. But as long as we stay above 250, we're in the right side. Now we've created these higher highs as compared to this zone, so this is looking alright. Come on, let's flip it and go. Very good. Alright, we're going 3-4 pips up. Come on, GJ, keep breaking. So now we've broken these highs, which is good. But like as said before, we don't want to break the lows, these lows. Which is at 22 pip stops. Come on GJ, 3 pips, let's go. 4 pips. It's clear to the left, we should continue. 5, 6, come on, let's keep climbing. If we need to climb above 400, that's an important level over here. 6 pips. Come on, let's go. So yeah, this is looking good. Who all are in it, guys? Who's in it with me?
Yes, sir.
I'm in it as well.
Let's go, sir. Fantastic. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's hope we're stuck at around 4 pips right now. As I said, this 400 level, vital level to break. We need to break this level to continue up. So hopefully this new 5 can carry us up. Six pips. Come on, TJ, let's go. Seven. Break in with volume. Let's continue. Let's break with volume and continue. Yeah. We're just stuck with 5 pips at the moment. If you're looking at my chart on the 1 hour time frame, you see why I mean the 400 level is vital and crucial. Can you see that's the previous support? Okay, 8. Let's go. Come on, keep going. Let's pop above this zone. I really think we could move today. Come on. Let's go, let's go. Struggling at the 400 level, we need a proper volume break of 400. Hopefully we get that now. Can we break and continue? Nine. Can we buy GBP cheaper? Julia, you're like, why are you always lagging? I told y'all to buy GBP JPY like about 5 to 10 minutes back. We're 9 pips up. Alright, almost 10. It looks clean to the left, so I'm gonna hold. Alright, that's 13, 12, 13 pips. So at this point, you guys can break even. That's 13 pips, guys. Dubs in the chat, those whoever's taking this trade. 13, 14 pips. This trade is moving.
Okay.
Yes, sir. What a way to start the Monday. Come on, can we get some W's in the chat? Let's go. It took some time, but it worked out. Let's go. Whoever took this one, it's a banger. I'm gonna close some partials. Oh, flying. Come on, let's keep going, GJ. Come on. 17, 18. Come on, GJ. Let's keep going. Come on. Beautiful. Whoever took that trade, absolute banger. Let's go. That was for Andrew. Beautiful, chat. Beautiful. What a way to start the Monday morning, eh? Beautiful. Easy 15 pips up here. So that was the beautiful trade. GBP, JPY, buys. Plus 15 pips. Beautiful. Good job, whoever caught this. Good job, Tony. Good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff. Now we're expecting this to just continue pushing up. I'm expecting to at least take 40-50 pips out of this trade because I'm expecting these highs to get hit, right? If we are to continue up. But if we come back down and respect this zone, I will be looking at further entries over here because now we are continuing unless we completely fake out to the downside. Why does it matter? Doesn't. But you always want to be able to be making more than you lose. Guys, what you have to understand is risk to reward is also based on win rate. If your win rate is always higher than is above 50%, right? Then you always know that your risk to reward is higher. It depends on the kind of trader you are and what stats you're showing. Beautiful, beautiful. Archie's in the chat. Ed is in the chat. Let's go. 0.700 is loading. Let's see. Sweeping loads are nice. Let's see. We take whatever we can get. So for me, I've already closed out at 15 pips. Oh, my partial. So yeah. Waiting for this to come. Let's see.
What account are you trading, DC?
Today I'm still trading my personal and the Slap account. So this week I will resume to trading funded, but I'm just taking a break, man, from all that stress of trading a funded account. So this week I'm just focusing on making money. Maybe from this week's profits I'll do something. Gold. You see why I told you guys don't buy gold?
Sell.
So I don't sell gold. Yes, you're right. It's just torturous. Why would you want to do that to yourself? Let me just adjust this even further. I'm only selling gold below 1966. I hope that's even further. Much more understood than what I was
Yeah,
saying
I'm
before.
waiting to see what how the 4 hour closes. Because
Yeah.
the 4 hour has got a supported up, so
Yeah.
see
That's
if
what
it breaks that.
I'm trying to get it below into this next range, you know, to kind of reject and continue down. So that's what I'm kind of waiting for. I think GJ is coming down. So
Well, we
guys,
started the week off nicely, so I'm
yeah.
quite happy, thank you.
Yes, sir. It gives us, when we win like this, guys, it just gives us that leverage. This week I'm trading FP Markets live. You can see. So
Just a
let's.
quick question. Did you close full or do you have a small runner?
I have a runner on this.
Okay.
I closed 80% out at 15 pips. Now I'm holding the rest to 50 pip TP.
Okay.
161 650. Oh, that's actually 130 pips. Never mind. Because I'm expecting us to fill this entire range, right? That's why I'm just gonna leave the runner running. If it comes back and stops me, also not a problem. I've already taken my profits. I've laid out my cushion for the week. Once you've laid out your cushion for the week, you're shaking and baking. Look at Geo. Geo couldn't close below 250. It went right back above and closed on the 30 and 15. So now we kind of have to look to see if these lower time frame candles can start closing below. Then we can look for continuation. Alright, Boomchi, I already secured 20 pips on gold. Beautiful stuff. DXY been pumping last 35 minutes. Alright. That also could be a potential reason as to why gold tried to pump down, but failed to do so because of that interesting demand zone. Arun, you made it just a little late, my guy. We got a GJ trade just about 3-4 minutes back. I don't mind a retest of this zone to continue up, in all honesty. I don't mind a retest of the zone. Come on guys, whoever caught that trade, smash that like button, if you learned something, hit that like button. If you're here for the first time, hit that like button. If you just woke up like Arun, hit that like button. Let's go. That's good. That puts less stress on you when you wanna trade like the next like when you wanna take your next trade, this gives you a little cushion to sit on. So we can reject off this 450 level to continue up. Oops. Yeah. Let's see. This is my first time and I like what you are doing. It's wonderful. Thank you. Thank you, Juliet. If you're just here every day, you'll be able to learn a lot from what we do over here every single day. We follow the same process again and again. Some people come to copy, but a lot of them are here to learn. So, yeah. It's a Monday morning and it's way earlier than our usual trading time. And we have a really good community. We have an encouraging community that who talk on Telegram. They send in amazing charts. Right over here you can see Kings. Kings is doing really well, guys. That's what I will tell you. He's doing really well. Fantastic trader. He sends in really good charts. Samita sends in some fire charts. Let me just show some love to these guys. Some fire charts. Manswiki sends amazing charts too. Here we have Santosh Yadav asking for confirmation. So yeah, so you can see all these guys. Abhinav Krishna always sends good charts. Steve also. Yes, Ali Nurani. That's the reason why we're also live 1 hour early. Because the timing changed. Let's see what happens. Gold is looking dangerous. Dangerous. Alrighty, let's see what's good. What are we looking at? Alright, GJ is popping. Did the 30-minute close on GJ? We could have a nice push up when we break these highs to continue up. Caution at the 800 level. Caution at the 800 level. Guys, if any of you want a prop firm, the Notive funding is the best prop firm in the game. And what you need to understand is Notive funding have the best set of rules. Take a look at it. If any of you guys are taking a challenge on Notive funding, use the code DCFX to get 5% discount plus 5% extra profit split. Alright, that's the difference. With my code you get a 5% extra profit split. So whatever the other guys are starting with, let's say 55%, you get 60% directly. 75% over here, you get 80% directly. You know, so if you use the code DCFX with Notive funding, it's a good time. Ali Nurani, what time do you start as per IST? I start at 10:30 AM now. Today we started 10:30 AM. I just can't get it in my head. No problem, Mary. What you have to understand is price is never gonna move in a straight line, right? So price has to form a trend, right? Price has to form trends, and so that's where you see we caught the breakout. Now price can come to retest this and then continue up, right? Because we have to form a trend. The market needs to trend. More people need to be able to get in to move the market. More buyers need to be able to move the market, right? Sorry for my hideous drawing, but that's the basic understanding of trend. I could have just done this, yeah. It's just the way the market moves. The market has to trend, right? If you're having a bullish trend, the market has to have a place where buyers can get in, where a previous resistance turns support and the buyers can get in. You get what I mean? That's so important to understand, because that is market structure. This is a bullish market structure. The only time this changes is when we break this, probably create a head and shoulders, a reversal pattern, and then start doing the same thing in the opposite direction, right? So how do we know it's the same thing? Resistance turns support, seller, you know, that's the trend we're now forming. You get it? This middle phase is the reversal. This is the bullish trend. This is the bearish trend. This is the reversal. Alright, thank you, your drawings, Makes sense. Okay, that's good. I'm happy. If you guys understand what I'm saying, that's as happy as I will get. Because remember, the reason why we do these live streams is to enable y'all to get the best education in the markets possible. Wow. It didn't hit my position by a pip, 1 pip, 1.5 pips. Insane. If this breaks this high, this should continue up. Can you see failure to close back below 450? Because previously on the lower time frame on the 5 minute, this was used as a support to continue up. So you can use this too as a confluence to see your trade move up from here to the next resistance. That's 27, 28 pips away. That's good. This is actually gonna move really well if we break this high. The goal is for this to stay above 450. If we stay above 450, then we've basically done that. Gold fake out. Yeah, for me gold really wasn't a fake out, it just came to the bottom of my range and it's just rejecting it. So I get what you're saying by it could potentially be a fake out if you only consider this support, but that's not my only consideration. My consideration is the entire range. A lot of people fail to see that this is the range. Alright? So we are in this range. So that's why it doesn't look like a fake out to me, but yeah, I get what you mean. The important part now is to see what is price going to do, because we have this low time frame bearish market structure. Are we going to continue up is the question. If we are going to continue up.
Hey, what's up? How you guys doing?
Oh, it's good. So if we are going to continue up, we need to look at this market structure setting up from maybe above 1874. Above that level.
Yeah, I was actually looking at that.
Yeah.
You
What's
guys took a
good, Hector?
GJ trade, huh?
Yes, sir.
Dang. Nice.
Yeah.
How many picks they went up on profit?
We're right now sitting at around 14, 15 pips. It went up almost 20 pips, 18, 19. And yeah, I
Okay.
closed partial at 15 pips. Now it's around 14, so let's see. It looks good.
Nice. Was that like a 1-to-1?
Yeah, you could say a 1-to-1 because we had a 22 pip stop loss there.
Awesome, bro. Starting the week real good, huh?
Yeah, there you go. It's about a pop. Come on, let's get 50 pips on this bag. Now, come on. Let's just
Come on,
tap
wait.
that 800.
Wait for me, GJ.
Let's bag it.
Wait for me to London.
Yeah, London's gonna open in a minute, right? 7 minutes.
Yeah, like 6.
Nah, it's going. Take us up. Let's go. 20.
God damn.
Let's fly. Come on. Let's keep moving. Here we go. Here we go. Fasten your seatbelts. We're about to take off. $22. Alright, are we ready? Come on. I just want to hit 800, that's it.
I moved my stop loss to break even and it just took me out and return.
Really?
Yeah.
Where did you put your break even exactly?
I'm gonna tell you now. History.
Alright, 22 pips. Come on, let's just break those highs and go.
Yeah, it is. I entered at 1603. 160.36.
Oh, that's why. Okay.
Yeah.
For me, I had my entry at 340. Fantastic, let's go. Don't FOMO. You took partials, right? Before it went down?
Yeah, I did.
Ah, that's good. See, that's the sign of a successful trader when you've taken partials. Because no matter what the emotion is, I've already taken money for the day. Whether it's $1, whether it's $10, whether it's $10,000, $1,000, or $100,000.
Anyways, I'm actually waiting for gold now. Gold sales.
Yes, sir. GJ Rocket 30 pips, 32 pips. Come on, GJ, take us to the moon. This should clear this entire range now. Yeah. I wanna see my TP hit. Come on, GJ. Let's see this TP hit real time. Let's start this Monday morning with an absolute slapper. 33 pips right now. Turning it up. Turn it up. 35. Can we get 35? Can we get 35? 35 going once. 35 going twice. 36, 36, 37. Can we get 40? Whoever's in this trade, this is an absolute banger. London volume can break 800 easily. Can we get 40? I'll close another partial at 800. Alright, at 700, yep. More partials. You can close sweeping lows and highs, just take more partials. Beautiful. As I said, if we broke this high, we'd be continuing. It continued another 20 pips, so that's beautiful. Let's see, I'm looking at it clearing this entire range, guys, in my opinion. At 800, I will look at locking in some more profits. Let's see. 38, 39, can we get 40, 40, 40, 37? Can we get 40? Who's in this tray with me? Who's in this tray with me? 40, can we get 40? 40, we've achieved 40. Did I see 40? Yes, we saw 40. Can we see 45? Can we get 45? What a beauty. What a beauty. 41. And we're about to hit our TP at 0.800, which is the previous resistance of this level. What are we talking about? Look at that beautiful, beautiful trade. Beautiful. At 44. 44, 45, we're tapping into 800. 45. Those in this trade. Come on, who's in this trade? Put some W's in the chat. Let's see those W's in the chat. What a beautiful trade this was. What a beautiful trade this was. 45 pips. What are we talking about? Come on, put some W's in the chat. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And that's it for me. I have closed the entire position. 40 pips, more than enough. As expected, we tapped 800 to the point. W's. That's what we're talking about. This is just what we do on a daily basis. London has opened now. And we've made money. We've made money. Let's go, GJ. GJ is gonna fly today. Amazing. 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 There you go, lads. Just like that. That's how the cookie crumbles. So there you go. My partials closed. 40 pips was more than enough. Beautiful. Beautiful. We completely got this.
I'm gonna rejoin now.
Rejoin what exactly? Andrew, was he talking about the meeting or?
I hope so.
I hope he's not rejoining GJ.
Because if he's rejoining GJ, I've got good and bad news.
Oh man. Beautiful. So you closed your complete partials, Andrew, on GJ?
Yeah, unfortunately, I closed it full at 15 by accident.
Oh man.
One of those days.
Worst kind of accidents. GJ pushing 50 pips now from our entry. Wow. Will we go up to fill the entire range this morning at 130 pips? Amazing. Amazing. Come on guys, hit that like button. Hit that like button. Hit it, hit it, hit it.
This is a big zone if GJ closes the 1 hour above here.
Oh, yeah. Because this would be the next support, so I'll be looking at another retest of this zone to continue up if it does what we say it does. Gio is setting up as well. Oh, now, yeah, Gio wants to join the party. Funny thing on Geo, you know, lower time frame, if you had to look at it, we would have assumed that this was a breakout. But he wasn't. GU's alright, I'm not gonna be looking too much to GU. EJ. Oh, EJ is now closing above the zone that we were looking at previously. Man, that must have been a bummer watching GJ, eh? Let's go. What a beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade. Come on, hit that like button. There's 50 of us over here in this building. Hit that like button. Smash it up. We entered this on the 15-minute time frame, so journal it. Let's just save that, and then look at that. We had that nice little move, and then we broke even, and then that's what happened. Alright, let's just journal it. Da 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 da. 60 pips. Alright, let's go. 1 second. I thought I completed my journal on Monday. Okay, I need to complete this trade's journal, but we'll come back to that. Alrighty, new trade. Today was GBP JPY. 27th Monday. London session. Position was the long. Okay, so let's look at the confluences. Clean traffic to the left. Breakout. Lower time frame continuation. Higher time frame continuation, because we were looking at the break of the 4-hour highs. Trend continuation, because it was in a. You guys kind of understand what price is doing. Oh, we're continuing. Look at that. Look at this. We're looking at this trend continuation, right? Engulfing candle. Yup. And session open volume, no, but break and retest. Higher time frame, lower time frame breakout. Okay, what was the setup? Breakout. Entry was on candle closure. This is the corner plan. Win. That was 2 almost. 91% for this trade is what I made. I only made 1% of this trade, guys. 1% on this trade. Alright, let's see. Trend is bullish in my opinion, because we rejected that bottom from the morning, right? Area value 160, 200, 250. Okay, 1 second, JJ. Okay, entry point was 340. No to other indicators. What did we learn from this trade? We could have trusted the analysis more and used for 1% risk and held it to the desired target at the top of the range. What did we learn? What happened after we closed? We closed Partials and price pushed. Pushed. $70 pips. Alright, so there you go. That's the journal for this particular trade. So guys, if you've been following this stream, you should have been able to make money with us. You can see we are up like 10% on this trade in 11 days. So that's almost like 1% a day. I think over here I had a break-even day, and 17th was a losing day. Even though we had a win in the evening, it was still a losing day. But yeah, other than that, all winning days. Small wins, you can see 1%, 2%. On some of these trades, we made 3%. This was EJ, it pushed 100 pips. So we were able to make more percentage that day. So let me just share this with you guys. Alright guys, y'all can open it. When you click on this, it'll show you the exact journal of this particular trade. Alright, you can see exactly how it played out. You can see my charts, you can see my description. So go for it. We will be releasing this journal soon. Past 1 MFF 5k 14 days, goal 76% with a grade. When are you able to get a soft copy of the journal? The journal is coming out soon, guys. I was just so I was going through it and I was seeing what I can remove and what I can keep early. So if you notice, there'll be a few differences right now as compared to last time. So if you see, I've kind of made it a little simpler. I've been looking at options to add a few more sessions like pre-London, pre-New York is what I've been looking to add into sessions. Entries also looking at adding more break of previous high, but then that kind of comes under impulse entry. So you know, the whole goal is to not confuse us, right? I don't want to confuse us, right? So the setup, whether it's a breakout, fake out, or just a rejection entry, you know, win, loss, break even, the plan. So you guys kind of get a vibe as to like what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to kind of simplify this as much as possible, and so the sort also, and showing us the range, how many days or whatever have we been you know, at this. And so over here also we can look at, let's see, unique values. Let's see. Total of 15 trades. No, we don't need that. Yeah, here you go. Total of 15 trades we've taken right from the top to help us. And if you look at it, all our setups are fake out setups, guys. All our setups are fake outs. Sorry, breakouts. The only time we took a fake out setup was FOMC, and that one I didn't journal it because the fake out setup I personally didn't take. I took the breakout setup. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. So I personally think that this is good enough. I really don't think that entry price and exit price are necessary. That's unnecessary. You can enter that in over here, right? But otherwise, I personally think over here that's completely unnecessary. Over here, I think time frame. Yeah, I think I should add time frame to this. I think time frame could potentially help. Or what I can do is what I select. So I can add those different things. Look at GJ. Look at GJ, guys. Who warned y'all about the 800 level? Wow, we were. Our accuracy is on point. Accuracy absolutely on point. Alright, the standard time frames I can add. Mass before setup, yeah. So this will also be good, you know, adding in the time frames of which time frame you took it in. But yeah, that's as much as I'm like I said, this journal is a work in progress. As soon as it's done, you guys will have a really good copy of it. But yeah, so tell me something, guys. Andrew, what's good? Everyone's been sitting quietly.
Yeah, no, not much happening.
Yeah, gold also
Getting ready for gym.
sounds like a plan.
Are you going?
Andrew, we never miss gym.
That's a cat.
What's good, Hector?
How's it, Hector?
Yeah, bro.
Man, who wants to sell GU?
Not me.
Who wants to sell GU? GU fake out sells. That's a breakout slash fake out slash Chinese takeout. What day is today at the gym for you, Andrew?
It's Monday. It's chest and shoulders.
Ooh, we're getting ripped today. Let's see.
Did you do steak Friday?
I actually didn't do steak Friday. Did you?
No, I didn't.
Yeah. This, what did I have on Friday? Wait, let me just think. I completely forgot what I even did on Friday. What did I do on Friday?
I had hamburger.
I can't. It's going to be a great week and a month of April. Let's go, Tony. Appreciate your time and knowledge, DC. Yo, thank you, Tony. Thank you, thank you. So, yeah, I
Past phase one.
yep. 14 days, amazing.
Nice, man.
What did I do on Friday? Why isn't my brain working?
You said you were going to have a hamburger, and that's what led me to have one. Because you
Yeah.
made me watch all that stuff with the oak stuffing bread with nice chunks of meat.
No, I definitely had something. Wait. What did I have? Oh, no. On Friday afternoon, before New York, I went out for lunch. And I had... So there's this thing called, in India, like I was telling you guys, if you come here, we're gonna try this thing out. It's called a ghee roast, right?
Yeah.
So I had the best mutton ghee roast I've had in my entire life, and I'm not even kidding. The best mutton ghee roast I've had in my entire life.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah. And after that, in the night, I was just at home. Then Saturday, what did I do Saturday? Saturday, I just took my bike to get it maintained, you know. Wash.
So you had gyro?
Pardon?
Had gyro?
Sorry, Hector, I'm not getting what
Wait.
you said.
I said you had gyro?
It's called a ghee roast.
Oh, sorry. I thought you said gyro.
Yeah. It's like a Indian dish.
Oh, man. Why do you have to show us these things?
It's the most
Yeah, bro.
amazing. Trust me, I'll tell you what usually I have it with either like squid ghee roast, prawn ghee roast, or like a chicken ghee roast. It was the first time I tried it with mutton.
Oh, I was just going to say, is it mutton?
Oh my word, the mutton ghee roast was amazing.
Is it a curry of some sort?
It's like this. It's like a dry, yeah, it's like a dry mutton with masala.
So it's not super hot.
Pardon?
It's not like hot or like a curry.
So it's spicy, yeah, but
Okay.
it's not a curry. So you eat it with like what we call a dosa or a crepe. So yeah, it's just the best thing ever.
Okay, take food away now because now I'm getting hungry.
We're going to the gym. Oh man, why do we do this to ourselves every single day? GU. What do I do? GU looks like a good sell in all honesty. It's like a fake out entry.
Man, London Open is slow.
Yeah. But you know who's not having a good time? Man,
Me?
it's just back to back bad days, to be honest.
Oh,
No, it's just one of our friends. I can... Oh, Pepita sent a chart. Let me just check that out. Alrighty. Clean range, yes, Peter. That's precisely what I'm looking for too.
Exactly the same.
Ditto. Below 1965 is what Andrew and everyone are calling her. For me, I'm saying if we even break. Why can't I move that? If we even break this level, 1966 500, we're going. We are going on a trip in my favorite rocket ship. Oh man.
Yeah. If you look at the 4 hour, you got to be careful with that too.
Careful.
If you look at 4 hour fib ranges,
Yo! Everyone's in the house today. Oh man, those birds are the best.
sorry, just
Sorry? I think gold is gonna continue falling, guys. I think we can wait for this 30-minute closure. Oh, sheesh, 40 pip stops. Good morning, no thank you. Anyone looking to take gold? 40 pip stops. My word. Yeah, if it closed below. Alright, I'm putting it down in the chat. I do believe that gold is going to go down, but if gold doesn't close below exactly, I don't think I'm going to be looking at it going down. Yeah. At least below 66,500. $66,500 should do that, right? But if we don't close below 66,500, you guys know the vibe. We're not going down yet. Every morning you 65,500 also very important level. So it's important that we look actually below 65,500 because that is the supply zone. I think who is saying 65,500? Andrew, one of you guys were asking for 65,500. Oh, Joano, I think was asking for 65,500.
Yeah, I prefer it below 65. A close. I'd prefer 4-hour close below.
Yeah.
Like I say, you got to be careful on gold. If you look at your fib levels on gold,
Yes, sir.
and of course we've got no top wick on this new weekly candle, so that's also something to take into consideration. No daily top wick either.
Alright, guys. We have finally been able to come to a consensus on gold. That until we break 65,500, there's kinda,
Sit on your hands.
yeah. It's a hand warming session. Da, 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 da. Da. We don't hide. We don't hide. Yes, Ali Nurani, you got that right. GJ sells break of previous. Good if you got that. GU is continuing down. GU is in this bearish flag, so the fake out sells did make sense. But I'm skeptical. I'm a skeptic. Also, and last night, Gypsy and I went a few rounds of Warzone Caldera.
Oh, did you?
Warzone 1. Oh my word, I love that game so much. I just wish they bring Rebirth Island back for like one day at least, please. I will
I
cancel.
don't know why they took Rebirth Island. It was the most popular out of all of them.
Exactly.
It's like stupid. Why change the winning formula? Or not change it, but give the option.
Yeah. Oshwano is in gold cell since 1970.
What?
Surprise!
He's in sin since 1970, not cells.
Oh man, someone's not going to church. Someone's been a bad boy. But yeah. But Call of Duty, man. I don't know why they had to ruin it. Playing the old Warzone just... Oh. It's the best
Russell's
feeling.
and GJ sells. Guys,
Yeah.
why are we taking such high risk trades?
Because we want to trade anything that crosses our eyes. So now we're in this range, lads. We need to see what's gonna happen.
My internet is trash today. I don't know what the hell is going on.
It's alright.
Not really. I paid a lot of money for it.
It's alright. You're not in gold cells, so it's fine. So you'll have enough money to sort it out. Oh man. Gold is running back. Have Finnotive changed the max? Yeah, I think Finnotive have changed the responsible trading policies.
Yeah, they did change it.
Yeah, there are no maximum amount of trades that you can take.
Which reminds me, keep an eye out. My brother's using your code to take out an account.
For sure, for sure. Tell him if he needs any help once he's got the account, right? If he's like withdrawals or anything, you know, of that manner, then he
I
can
told
get in
him
touch.
if he blows the account, he can phone you. We'll sort it out.
Yeah. It's okay, Andrew. I know you want me to give him the bad news. It's fine. Oh, but good trading day today. We smashed it out. 15 pips or 50 pips both worked really well today.
Yeah, I would have preferred 50, but
It's alright, we take whatever we get.
15's better than naught.
Exactly. And there are some people who've actually taken losses, so don't worry.
Yes, sir. Is there any high impact news this week? Check. Calendar. Today. Oh, there is a little bit.
I'm just happy we didn't get stuck in gold, to be honest.
Yes, sir. I've got quite a big no trade range on gold. Sort of 85 up, 65 down. It's a 200 pip range I'm not trading.
Yeah. Two PM. Alright. I got a call with Finnotive in some time. I'll see how we can sort the community out. Okay, so
Can you ask them for a free account for me?
yep, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Anything else?
No, just a free account, and I will stop pushing my prop firm. And also, yeah, actually, now I think of it, if they can just make it a no rules, nothing, no drawdown, nothing,
Yeah, that's
that'll be great. So just a plain 50k and if I lose the 50, I'll be done.
Oh, okay, yeah. 80% discount on instant funding. Done. Yeah. Yeah. I'll just ask them to PayPal everything to me and then we'll split it.
There we
Then,
go.
yeah, we just ask them, just send me your entire net worth and we'll sort this out. So you can have as many positions as you want on a pair. Yes, Zix.
Just keep in mind that the 50% rule of one position overall drawdown, daily drawdown still stands.
Yeah, responsible trading rules, yeah. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Okay, I'm going for a coffee run. Anybody want some coffee?
Yeah, sounds like a plan. I don't mind some coffee.
Cool.
Give me a second.